Hi guys, welcome back to the kitchen with Brylee. So Halloween is over and Thanksgiving is coming and everybody loves dessert. So what's everybody's favorite dessert? What's everybody's favorite two desserts on Thanksgiving? Well, my favorite are pumpkin pie and cheesecake. So today we're gonna mash them together and we're gonna get a no bake easy pumpkin cheesecake balls. Now all you need to make your pumpkin cheesecake balls is some 8 ounces full fat cream cheese and 1/2 of a cup of pumpkin puree, 1 1/2 teaspoons of stevia, and 1/2 and a tea, 1/2, hold on, 1/2 and a teaspoon, 1/2 of a teaspoon and a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. Now we will need 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and that's it. Let's get started. Okay, so let's get our 8 ounces of cream cheese going in our bowl. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, that didn't work out so well. Now my hands are all icky, like cream and cheese, like cream cheese. Okay, so now let's get our pumpkin puree in there. Ow. I feel like that cream cheese just burnt me or something. No, that's not possible, is it? Or is it? Well, I've had a lot of things going on so far. I had the most awesome weekend. Well, so I did gymnastics and I had my Think Pink invite. That's my sound. Moving on. So we need 1/2 of this, and I don't know how I'm gonna get this. I think this is it. This is it. Yeah. Pretty sure this is it. Okay, so now our stevia is done. Pumpkin pie. This is our pumpkin pie spice. Guys, do you think these colors look good together? Nah. So, moving on to our vanilla extract. We have 2 more ingredients, but those are for the coating after we freeze it, which I'm gonna tell you how long to in a few minutes. Having a little set stage problem, help, please. Whoa, I just got it, guys. I got it just now. Just got it. Not lying. Okay, so we need 1 teaspoon of this. You have to be very careful. Ooh. Uh-oh, that's not good. We're not gonna need any more. And so let's start to mix it. Here we go. Here we go. Ew. Guys, have you ever wondered what this all looks like mashed together? I haven't, and I'm finally gonna find out. Oh my God, that's a big dream. Okay, so my spoon job didn't turn out so well, so this looks like a job for the mixer. Ow, that kind of hurt. Okay, so we're gonna do it on slow speed, which is 1, or right here, because we don't want it too high. And we always turn it on and off over the bowl, just like this. Okay, so it looks like it's all done mixing, and shh, don't tell anybody. I'm just gonna taste it. Yeah. You see that I'm going for a second thing? That's how good it is, guys. That's how good it is. Okay, so I practiced on 2 of the balls, and I've washed my hands. So let's start making our other balls. So what we're kind of gonna need to do is when we put it down on the platter, we shouldn't we whipped it a little bit too much, so don't whip it as long as I did. And so this is one of my balls that I just made. I'm a lucky duck. No, I'm not. I'm making the other ones. Let's not do that right now. We'll do that later. Guys, if you're making this along with me right now and not just listening to it and then doing it, you should actually really try that. You haven't lived until you had that. So after I'm done with this, if I have leftover, I'm going to have my parents try it. And yeah, they haven't lived. So they haven't lived yet. But maybe they have if they had a strawberry banana milkshake. Because those are like the bomb. And I mean the bomb. Especially if you get it from Dairy Queen. My dad used to take me there last year if I did a good job at school. I was in 2nd grade last year. And he used to take me there if I did a good job at school that day. And I always asked for strawberry banana milkshake, or a Dairy Queen sundae, but that wouldn't usually happen. Only if it was like a really good day. Okay, so I just put them on the parchment paper, and now we're gonna go put them in the freezer. We're gonna put them in there for like about 20-25 minutes, and then they're gonna be kind of frozen, maybe like the texture of a cheesecake. So after we're done with that, we're gonna take it, and it would be like a texture that you could just kind of grab it and roll it lightly, and in our crushed pecans and cinnamon. And we're gonna mix them in there because I have them separate for after. Because if it spills, I don't want to waste all the cinnamon and then redo it and then redo it and then redo it. So let's go put these in the freezer. Okay, so we just had my pumpkin cheesecake balls. They've been in the freezer for like 20-25 minutes, like I originally said. Now we are going to make like a crust on a cheesecake or a pumpkin pie thing. So now we are going to mix together our cinnamon and pecans. We're going to mix it into this bowl. Pick it up and lightly roll it. And it's very important that you lightly roll it, because if you roll it hard, it's just going to be in your thing, and that probably won't taste good. So let's get started. So all you need for this thing is a teaspoon of cinnamon, which I will add right now. And for the pecans, you need 1/3 of a teaspoon, 1/3 of a cup, 1/3 of a cup. So let's add that in there. Now let's stir it. I feel like we would need more cinnamon for this thing, but that's what it called for, and this is a mini dish to stir it in. Okay, so I just tested it on one, and look how it turned out. That's what all of them are gonna look like. So let's get started. After we're done, we need to put them back in the freezer for another 20 minutes. So let's get started, because this will probably take a long time. So you're just gonna watch me kind of, you see how I'm lightly just rolling it in there? That's what you wanna do. And then just put it on your platter you shouldn't really waste a platter. It's called recycling, basically. And you wanna basically try to get all the yellow gone on the cheese balls. So those are 3 of them. They turned out really good so far. Let's hope that this one doesn't turn out icky. Yeah, this one's not that good. Okay, we're just finishing up, and we are going to put it in the freezer for another 20 minutes. And this one, that one didn't turn out so well. But the other ones really did do well. While I was on my break, it kind of shaped that other one out so that it looked good. Yeah! Now they just came out from another 20 minutes. And this is how they look at the end. And thanks for watching. Bye. I hope you enjoyed my recipe. If you did, comment down below, or comment down below for a different Thanksgiving, or a little bit of a mix of Thanksgiving and Christmas. Have a good day. Bye.